Welcome. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we will be building part 1-30 rear leaf spring pressure plate for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So let's get designing. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex, and we're building the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. This episode we work on part 1-30 rear leaf spring pressure plate. So let's open this up and let's get building. Okay, let's go top and sketch. Let's do a simple square. Actually, let me do that one, center one. There we go. Dimensions going to be 49. And it's going to be 80. Perfect. There we go. Zoom out. Beautiful. And it's going to be a thickness of 5 millimeters. We're extrude. Mid-plane, although it probably doesn't really matter on this one. They're going to do it anyway. Okay, so now it's going to have a... let's see, that looks like... 8? No, it looks like 5. Okay, it doesn't have measurements on there, but we've got holes that go 8 millimeters in, then it's got a radius, but the radius isn't quite big enough. Matches that, so it's going to take us 5. If we find different later on, we'll come back and change it. Right now, let's just work on fillet. 5. That one. That one. That one. And, oh, not that one. That one does that. It's clear. Oh, I didn't mean clear the whole lot. I meant clear single. Oh, well, it is done. Start again. If I pick that side, that's going to do every side on, so that's why I don't want to. And that's still 5 there, and done. There we go. So let me do that one. Beautiful. We're going to do hole wizard. These are size hole, are they? 5. Okay. 5 for 5, 5, 5. Go down and change that. Do there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So let me do those two as there, as horizontal. These two as missed horizontal. These left two side ones going to be vertical, and these two will be vertical. There we go. Oh, we don't do so many measurements. Okay, so smart dimension. Okay, so this circle to this circle is going to be 8. Sorry, this circle to the edge, not circle, sorry. This circle to the edge is going to be 8. It's going to be the same. And this one will be the same. If I get the edge. Oh, try again. Clicked on the wrong thing and it wasn't making sense. Hold on. There we go. Fully out of it. Let me try that again. Why would that pick up that center? There it is. And 8. There you go. So that 8 will line that one up. This 8 will line this up. This one will do... It works out. So, yeah, these two does these two and these two. This one does this one and that one. So, therefore, they'll work out pretty good. So, that should be it. Yes, that's all we need. So, Okay. I can hear myself. There we go. And that's all it is for this one. Yep, that's it. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button if you did. If you want to see more, please subscribe. It does help me out. And thank you for all new subscribers. And thank you for everyone that has subscribed. Thank you so much. Got any comments, questions, whatnots? Leave them in the comments below. I'm happy to hear from guys and girls. And remember, thank you very much.